What's up, guys? It's your girl Nacole, and I'm back with another one for you. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own YouTube banners. If you're not sure what the banner is, if you take a look right above right above where it says Princess Kinsley and the picture, you can see the banner. It says Pretty Little Princess. That's your YouTube banner. So if you don't have one, or if you have one and you don't like it, if you had to use a generic one like the one I have from YouTube, I'm going to show you today how to create your own using whatever kind of background you want to use. Okay, all right, right here, I'm just kind of showing you guys what my mom's banner looks like. If you can see, hers says Miss Cat. Well, when it scrolls back up, okay, there it goes. It says Miss Cat. Now, she has an ASMR channel. If you don't know what ASMR is, don't even go to her channel because you'll probably hate it. If you want to learn what it is, just Google it and it'll tell you all about it. Yeah. Okay, this is the family channel, Chandler Family Vlogs, and there's the banner for that one. Just really simple. Most of the banners I make are really simple. The other ones are kind of tedious, so I just try to stay away from them. I mean, I can do them. It's no problem. It's just really tedious and it takes a long time. So, oh, this one is one of my sister's channels. She doesn't have a banner because she wasn't sure if she was going to keep the channel or not. She's still not sure. So yeah, no banner for that one. Okay, I think here we're going to head back to my channel, and you can see the banner that I have. It's generic. It came straight from YouTube. They have like 5 or 6 that you can choose from. It's generic, but we're going to change that today. Okay, all right, so we are at my home screen. I'm going to go ahead and tell you the 2 apps that you need to download. Well, yeah, you might as well just go ahead and download both of these, because even if we don't use it in this video, you'll still use the one eraser app and then in like a future video. But anyway, yeah. So download Funto and then download the eraser app. You'll need both of those to make your banner. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and go into your browser, whether that's the Google or Safari or whatever your browser is. Go ahead and go into it. And what you want to do is go ahead and just search up background images. You can put in whatever kind of background. You can put in flowers. You can put in glitter. You can put in Tumblr images. You can put in just the word background images. I mean, it'll pull up whatever you think you want on your banner. That's what you put in the search bar. As you can see, I put in Tumblr images and it pulled up a lot of different backgrounds. I didn't like any of these, actually. It took me a while to kind of figure out what I wanted. In the end, I don't even think I got exactly what I wanted. I just chose something just for the sake of the video. Once I finished it, it was okay, so I did keep it. Yeah. But yeah, so just go through and figure out what you want to use for your background. And you can see there were some really nice background images here. I just couldn't decide on one. Like, and one, like, it didn't just hit me and strike me as like, okay, this is the one for you. Like, yeah, it was some really pretty ones though, I have to admit. Especially the glitter ones. I love glitter, so those, oh yeah, those were so cute. And in the end, I don't think I went with a glitter one. It's a shiny one for sure. I think it's like reflections almost. Maybe reflections off of glitter. I don't know. You'll see it in the end. But yeah, so just keep scrolling through until you find what you want to use. And actually, that's the one right there that I'm going to use. And it is glitter. All right, so once you figure out which one you want to use, you want to go ahead and save it to your device. And what I do, I always save it twice because sometimes it doesn't save that first time. So I go back and I save it twice. And once you do that, what you want to do is go ahead, clear your search bar, and then you want to put in YouTube banner template, because you're going to need this template to basically gauge your image, to make sure that it's big enough, to make sure that it's not too big, and to make sure that it will fit inside of YouTube and the specs that they require for it. All right, so once you've saved the template as well, what you want to do is go ahead and open your Fonto app. And once you open your Fonto app, all right, once you get the Fonto app open, you're going to click the little camera at the bottom of the screen. And what you're going to do is click on plain image. You're going to go ahead and click the white plain image. Or you could do black. I mean, I don't know. I just normally do white. Okay, you're going to click that, and then you're going to click the numbers at the top of the screen, because you have to put in a custom number. This is where the template comes in from YouTube. You have to get the specs from that to put in here, so that you can have a big enough rectangle or square or whatever. All right, so yeah, so I'm just going back here looking at the template because I couldn't remember the number. So the first number I'm going to put in is I think 2560, and then the for the width, and then for the height 1440. And that's going to give us our first rectangle. All right, you're going to click use and save, because you have to save this. So all right, once you save it, you're going to go in, reset everything. You're going to go back, click plain image, pull it back up, because now you're going to put in the second number, which is 1546 for the width, and then 423 for the height. All right, we've got our smaller banner part now. You're going to do the same thing. Well, you're going to click use. All right, so from here, what you're going to do is click add image. And right here, you don't have to do this part. I just did this part to make sure I had my numbers right. You definitely don't have to do this, because you can already see right here that it's correct. I'm just measuring it up just to make sure it fits and everything. You don't have to do this because I've already done it for you. So the numbers are correct. All right, so what I just did was I went back, I clicked add image. I went and picked the image that I chose from online, which was the glitter image. Here I had to rotate mine. You might not have to rotate yours. I had to rotate mine because it was vertical at first. It was vertical at first now, and I had to rotate it to make it horizontal. All right, so you're just gonna put it over that white rectangle, and then you're gonna go click save image. And what this is gonna do is save your image into the rectangle. Save image. All right, saved. All right, we're gonna hit reset to clear everything out. All right, once you've cleared everything out, you're gonna go to photo album. You're gonna pull up the white banner that we saved earlier. Pull that up, and then you're gonna go to add image, and then you're gonna pull up the image that we saved from online. Pull that one up, not the original one, the one we saved from Fonto app. That's the one you're gonna pull up, the very last one. And once you get in here, just resize it, make it big, so it can fit in the triangle. This one right here is just a little bit too big, so you'll see me go back in and change the height up a bit, and the width as well, to kind of get it to fit. And you'll need to do the same, unless you get lucky. Then you won't have to worry about changing the sizes, but most of the time you'll have to change the size. And excuse my voice. I don't know what's going on. I guess because it's late at night and I'm recording, I sound like a frog. So just ignore that, guys. Just ignore it. Okay, once I get this sized up, which I think I'm about there, what you'll see me do is I'll go back to the 3 little lines at the bottom and I'll click add image. Now I'm gonna go and choose the template, the YouTube template, and I'm using that to measure here to make sure, just to make sure I have everything sized the way it's supposed to be. You can do the same just to make sure everything is sized the way. See, you can watch here. I'm going to enlarge the image and just hover it over my background image just to make sure that it's, you know, matching up in size. As you can see, it was, so I went ahead and removed the template and I have my banner. Now, the only thing left to do is to save this image on top of the white image. You have to do that. You want your banner part saved on top of the white part. It's a lot of saving and kind of repetitive, you know, repetitiveness, but you have to do it. All right, once it's saved, you're going to reset everything. Go into photo album and pull up the image that you just saved. All right, now that it's up, you can go ahead and get ready to add your text. For me, I just put my Instagram handle. Yeah, is that what? Hold on, let me make sure that's what I put on here. Yeah, I'm just putting my Instagram handle on here, which is Nacole. So you'll see me do that, center align it, and then boom, you can go to the font, pick whatever font you want. I mean, it's a bunch on there, so it took me forever. It took me forever to pick like a really good one. So yeah, I'll probably end up just fast forwarding through this part. Well, wait, yeah, no, it didn't take, well, it took me a long time, but I think I already cut it out, so I won't have to bore you guys with that part. All right, here, you just see me going in, messing with the color, just kind of fixing it the way that I want it to fix. I mean, the way that I want it to look. I tried like a bunch of different colors, yellow, pink, purple, green. I think eventually I'm going to end up going with the pink, even though purple is my favorite color, but I like the pink better. So I end up going with the pink. And the way that you go in and change the color, you just click style. You just click style. And then you can go in and change the color, change the stroke, the wideness of it. If you can make it slim, you can outline it in a different color. I mean, you can just kind of experiment. Just kind of experiment with that. All right, so here you can see I finally chose the pink color. And what I'm going to do now is click on add image. I'm going to go in and put some pictures on the side, just something really quick, really simple. There are other ways you can do this. You can use that eraser app that I told you to download to like cut yourself out of your picture and then just kind of put yourself on your banner without all the extra around it. Yeah, but that's a whole nother video for another time. P.S. If you hear a little snoring in the background, that's Princess Kinsley. She is finally asleep. By the way, I want to say, let me see what time it is. It's well after 4 o'clock, and she literally just went to sleep, I would say like 20 minutes ago. Anyway, that's not what we came here to talk about, but back to the video. All right, so what you see me doing here is just resizing the picture, getting it to the size that I want before adding it to my banner. And once I get it down to the size that I want, you'll see me just add it to the banner. Once again, you have to go and click save image. You have to save everything because if you don't, you'll lose it. Okay, so boom, I got everything finished. Just go ahead and click save image. And once you do that, you're done. Like, that's it. You're done. You're done, boo boo. What I did do is I went in, pulled it back up, and then I added a chrome filter to it just because I really like that. So added the chrome filter, resaved, then boom. All right, so what we're about to do now is go into my browser. This part you don't really have to watch. I'm sure you know how to go in and add your banner, because that's all I'm about to do is go in, add the banner to my page. All right, so yeah, I just went into my browser. I went to YouTube, click desktop view. It'll pull up your YouTube channel as if you were sitting in front of your desktop computer or your laptop or on your tablet, whatever. Anyway, you know how to go edit your channel art, upload the image that we just saved from Fonto. And there it goes. That's it. You're good to go. And you can always go back. You can create as many of these banners as you want. You can switch them out however often you feel. It's just like whatever you want to do. All right, banners up, and it looks pretty good to me. What I always do is I go into my YouTube app, because this is gonna be where you see if there's a mistake or if you need to fix anything. And it looks fine to me. There's a little bit of space left over here on the left side, but I do that on purpose because when you're looking at it from your desktop, it has your profile picture right there, and I leave room for my profile picture. That's just what I like to do. You don't have to do it. You can resize it, so it looks the way you want it to look, but that's just what I do. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope this helped. If you got confused on any part, don't hesitate to drop down in the comment section below and just ask me. I do not mind explaining, and I'll do the best I can to help you guys, because when I had to make my banner, I didn't have anyone to help me. I kind of had to figure things out on my own. So I don't want you guys to have to go through that. So here I am with this tutorial. I'm just kind of excited that I finally actually changed my banner, because I always changed everybody else's and never changed mine. So I'm just glad I got that out of the way. Ow. All right, guys, that is it. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.